Welcome. If you want to stay updated every time someone reposts your content on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow repost notifications on X using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen and find the More icon. Click on it to reveal a menu, then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section is where you manage all your alert preferences. Next, select Preferences to access more detailed notification options. Now choose Push Notifications. This is the area where you control which activities trigger notifications on your device. Scroll down until you see the Reposts section. Here's the key step. Under Reposts, you'll see different options for who can trigger notifications. To make sure you never miss a repost, select from anyone. This means you'll get a notification every time any user on X reposts your content, not just people you follow or interact with regularly. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically. You can now close the settings and get back to your timeline, knowing you'll be notified whenever your posts are shared by others. If you're not receiving notifications, make sure your browser and system notification settings allow alerts from X. Sometimes, notifications can be blocked by your browser or your computer's operating system, so double-check those settings if needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll always be in the loop when your content gets reposted on X. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips to make the most of your social experience.